Dear 10th class student, today we'll come to the last part of photosynthesis exercise part. Before we do, already I know you have done 3 diagram based question, that is enough. But now you take the points collectively. Okay, here is the point. I'm trying to focus. Okay, light reaction compared with dark reaction. Okay, so this will help you. Only 3 points you have to remember. The first three. Okay, location, then net reaction. Okay, that is what totally reflects in the overall equation. So you note down light reaction takes place in thylakoid. Okay, then here dark reaction takes place in stroma. Stroma is the matrix of chloroplast. Then light is a common thing. For light reaction, light is essential, but dark reaction dependent. Okay, because see the product. What we need is the third point, ATP and NADPH2. These are the two outcome of the light reaction that helps the other four process of dark reaction. So you use pass command and write it the simplest 2 point. At least you should know the location and the product necessary for light and dark reaction. So overall I am focusing. The first one and the third one is the most important. Equation is common, no problem. Okay. Then the other part is the definition. That is what it reflects. The meaning is given in order to make you understand. Okay. Go to biosynthetic phase. It is nothing but dark reaction. Then the same dark reaction. Here they gave the meaning. Okay. Okay. Then ETP or electron transport chain. Okay. Where electron is added. That is what it is. It's all not necessary, but it may help you to understand the overall reaction. When you read more, the complexity grows, no problem. You try to learn here the definition of photosynthesis. Then the photon involves, that is unit of light. Then photochemical phase is also known as light reaction. And the other one is biosynthetic phase, that is dark reaction. So just now you have learned dark reaction and light reaction. And now photosynthesis and the photon. Then overall you must note down this abbreviation. At least 2 questions will come. ADP, ATP, ETC, NADP, NADPH, RUBP, RUDP. Okay. So you must know NADP. When it is accepting hydrogen, it is reduced to NADPH. Then ADP, you know, ADP is converted into ATP with adenosine diphosphate become adenosine triphosphate. Then RUBP is necessary, ribulose biphosphate. Then every student is getting doubt while studying photosynthesis, where is this RUBP? It is there in the chloroplast. It only helps to fix 5 carbon compound into 6 carbon compounds C6H12O6. That is what you are understanding in this lesson. Try to understand. 4 steps already I taught you, and 4 steps in the similar manner dark reaction also taught you. And now overall, depending on the location, how dark and light reactions are differentiated. One is with the location and the second one is the product. So now you have learned, this is a simple definition, and these 3 abbreviation definitely you will get: NADPH, RUBP and ADP or ATP. Thanks for watching. In the next video we may have live classes. We'll continue. You will learn more. Any doubt you have apart from the 3 dBq, we'll go for further discussion. So you can interact with me and learn in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. One more time I am focusing. You use always pause command. Don't say that points are not clear. One is location and another one is the product. Points are clear. It is now your duty to note it down. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Study well. Bye.